guys, today we are going to do a volcano science experiment and see where did the dinosaurs go. Mommy, Viral and Diyan. To make a mountain, we are going to put glass on a plate and surround it with sand. Alright, now let's start the dinosaur volcano science experiment.
Boom, boom, boom. First we'll add a baking soda. Oopsie. I'm going to put this fruit only in 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops. Let's add dishwashing soap. Let's do it. Don't you still it.
What is that, Diyan?
Little.
What's happening? Volcano is happening.
It went down.
Yeah. Millions of years ago, dinosaurs lived on Earth. But one day, a big meteor came into Earth. Then there were volcanoes, fire, and smoke everywhere. Sunlight could not come in, so all the plants and dinosaurs died. Yeah, the volcano is going to reach the dinosaurs, and because the volcano is so hot, all the dinosaurs are sadly going to get burned in this volcano.
See, Mama, all dinosaurs died.
Yeah. How did the dinosaurs die, Diyan?
Retreating. There was no sunlight.
Oh.
Then there was no food. Then there was watching the wraps, and then they died. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo.
I see you.
Stay happy and learn something new. It's time to add sandal.
Bye-bye, Diyan.
My mama
Thank you for teaching us how the dinosaurs
die.